If you are looking for the easiest method to sew cargo pant, I think this is the actual video for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to sew this cargo pant in the easiest method. You're going to be sewing it as if you're sewing a patch pocket, and it's very, very, very beautiful. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Momo Yahaya. I will be teaching you how to sew cargo pant, like I earlier said. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be making it as easy as possible, as short as possible. So when you get your fabric, make sure your fabrics is on fold. When it's on fold, is about 6 inches. So about 6 inches wide on fold. So the first is you draw the base. When you draw the base, then you mark out the bag allowance and sewing allowance, which is about 2.5 inches. That if you've gotten the 2.5 inches, now you now draw out the actual height of the cargo pants of the cargo pocket. The cargo pocket is going to be about 8 inches long. That's the height of it. So you mark it out. Then after you mark it out, you're going to be putting 1.5 inch hem allowance at the top. Where that's what you're going to use to fold it in. When you mark it out, then the width of your cargo pants is going to be 7 inches. That means you're going to be, since it's on fold, you're going to be marking 3.5 inches. Then you mark it out. And after that, at the side of the cargo pant also, there's also bag on it. So this bag is going to be 2 inches. Then you add an inch for the sewing, that is the seam allowance, making it 2.5 inches. So you mark it out. When you mark it out, the next thing we're going to be doing is going to sectionalize it, whereby we are bringing out the half inches from all the edges. When we bring out the half inches, which is the sewing allowance, then the next thing, the bag allowance, that is going to be 1 inch each. So we are going to be bringing it out on both the side and of the side of the pocket of the cargo pocket, and as well the in the under of the cargo pocket. That's what we are going to be doing. So we are marking it out to 1 inch each. So we do what we do at the side of the cargo pants to what we also do it to the base of it. So we do the same thing, mark half an inch, 1 inch each. So this half inch is for the seam allowance, like I said. Then the 1 inch is for each of the bag. The bag is going to be 2 inches folded into 1 inch each. So we are going to be folding it, so that make it that's going to consist of the bag. So this is being done. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is come to the edge. When you come to the edge, you're going to be marking on the second line, mark 1 inch. Then on this other line towards the base, mark 1 inch, like you see. Then there are 3 points. You're going to connect it with a straight line. When you connect it to a straight line, the next thing you do is make sure that you connect this base to the angle point, as it should be at angle 45 degree. So next you're going to mark the towards the so this toward the seam allowance, you're going to be mark 1 inch. It should be diagonal. Then make sure it correspond with the other place, because it has to be the same measurement. That's why I'm making it 1 inch. Then after that, what you're going to do is to put your sewing allowances at the edge that you just cut. So the sewing allowance is going to be 0.5 inch, which is about half an inch. So you are going to be doing that. So this is it. Then you're going to be cutting out. This is your cargo pant pockets. So when you got these cargo pant pockets, you cut it out and you hem the top of it. So sometimes you might not hem the top of it because sometimes it look bulky. So there are some other tricks that we use in hemming the top of it so that it will not look bulky. But just keep watching. We're going to be showing you, the next step is we're going to be showing you how to properly sew this cargo pants. So you fold it this way that you just see, and you sew it in the zigzag manner of which I have drew here. You sew it like this. Then if you sew this, then you see that there are two pointy edge. Each of the pointy edge represents one part of the bag, because the bag is going to be folded into two. So then you do what you do at this edge to the other side of it. You're going to still align it this other way and sew it. Make sure that it's well aligned. I'm going to be marking it out. So you're going to be following this pattern, this particular chalk pattern that I used. When you do that, you've finished sewing. You're going to the pointy edge that I told you about initially. You're going to be notching it so that when you're turning it, it will be seamless. It will be smooth. You notch it. Then sometime like what I do is to reduce the sizes so that while I reduce the sizes so that while turning it, it will be very, very, you will not even know that anything happened there. So I am trimming it out, then turning it. You can turn it so that it will have a pointy edge. So the essence of doing this zigzag nature is to bring out the baggy nature of it, and the bag will not be too big, but it's actually big. So this is it. Then you're going to be go to the edge, and you're going to be sewing it. Look at what I just did. So it should correspond with the base of the bag, of the bag. The bag should correspond with the base of the cargo pant pocket. So this is it. You're going to be sewing around it to bring out the actual size of the cargo pant pockets. So cargo pockets. So you're going to be doing these, and when you finish sewing, you're going to be hemming. So simple, it's simple as that. You're going to be hemming. So when you hem, after the hemming, you're going to be fixing. So, like I said, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Is when you're done hemming, the next thing you're going to be doing is bring out the bag. So when you bring out the bag now is going to be folded into two units. They are facing each other, the upper part and the lower part. Look at it. So you take it to your press and press so that you can bring it out. Look at it. It's aligned to both edges. To all of the edges is aligned. So you're going to be clipping each of the edge at the towards the top with your sewing machine, or if you have you can also use needle as well to clip it down so that while you are sewing it will not be difficult for you. So while you do both at both side and paste it as simple as this. So you see that you don't have alignment issue like the other the other method of sewing a cargo pant. So if you're still up to this stage, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ensure to like, make comments about this particular video, and then thank you very much for watching my video. If there's any other video you'd like me to make, kindly tell me so that, and if there's any area you didn't get clear, let me know. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you once more.